Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Apple Intelligence ready. This is about permissions and access, not hardware. First, make sure your MacBook Pro is on a supported Mac OS and Wi-Fi is stable, because the features rely on cloud processing. Next, sign into your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication so models can personalize responses. Then, enable Siri, location, and the privacy toggles for on-device language models. This gives the system needed data while respecting your controls. Once done, move to configuration. You now configure the behavior and scope of Apple Intelligence so it helps you efficiently. Open System Settings, go to Siri and Spotlight, and enable Intelligence toggles. This activates suggestions, summarization, and context-aware actions. Make sure to customize personalization and data sharing so only chosen apps can access your content. This balances usefulness and privacy. Then, create or edit shortcuts that call intelligence features for Mail, Notes, and Finder, for example, a one-click summary action. Once these are set, test if you finish by using Apple Intelligence in real tasks and knowing how to fix issues. Invoke it from the menu bar, Touch ID, Siri, or your custom shortcut. Then ask for summaries, drafts, or file operations. Short, specific prompts get faster, clearer results. Make sure to refine prompts if responses miss context, and leverage the undo in shortcuts for accidental actions. If the feature stops responding, restart Mac OS, verify settings and permissions, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and install any pending updates. This resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.